Hey guys, so I have a hidden thing inside of me. I could sneeze with my eyes open. So yeah. I need to sneeze right now, so let's see if I can do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, got another one coming. So there it is, you guys. I can see it with my eyes open. Thank you guys for watching.